Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kenny, aka Meek The Ghost, and today I'm going to try out a pizza place down the road from my house. It's at Rick's Corner. This is a pizza place down in Salt Lake City at 1465 South, 700 East. And I was out with my family and they suggested I try this out whenever I had the chance. So today I'm going to try their pizza called The Roots and their bread with truffle oil and truffle mushrooms and whatnot. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna give it a shot. Try it out. Wow, this pizza is thick. It's not that wide, but that looks extremely full of vegetables. We got artichokes, carrots, looks like yams. Oh, trying to get me a piece. It's kind of thick. You also got some red onions on here. I was trying to see if I could try something healthier today, and no meat. Yeah, it smells really nice. It's got like that. We've got some garlic cloves here. Well, yeah, let's dig in and try it out. Mmm. Oh, I like this. It's very thick. I'd say probably about an inch thick. Let's see if we can get a good look at that. We also got some yams on here. Got a lot of extra virgin olive oil on my fingers. Oh, I think truffle sauce. On this particular pizza, there's no marinara, no white sauce, no Alfredo sauce. Which honestly, I love this. This doesn't need it. It's loaded with so much vegetables that it keeps falling off though. Well, at least when I'm done, I'll have a salad. The tomato isn't dried out. It's so nice and juicy. It wasn't too thick or too thin either. I think I gotta slow down eating it though. Alright, let's try some of that bread. Oh yeah, take a look at that. It's got mushrooms, cheese, like basil. Oh, that smells so good. I'm gonna try it well without the marinara first. But they gave me a marinara dipping sauce. Oh wow. Yeah. Those are really good. Feels kind of filling too. Looks like you could either one of these and be full off of it. I think this is definitely more than enough for my wife and I. Unfortunately, she's not home right now, so I'm doing the testing in a video myself. But I will save some of this for her when she gets home, which should be hopefully soon. But here's the marinara dipping sauce. It's pretty good. It's oh wait, it looks like there's something else inside of it. Beneath, let me scoop some of this aside. I have to use another bread. Don't want to double dip. But yeah, if you take a good look at this, there's some white sauce in there too. It's all in the, I don't know if you can see it very well in the ramekin, but well, let's give it a shot. Let's try it out. Not sure what that is. It might be a cheese sauce, but it's definitely mild. The truffle overpowers it. Let's get a smaller inner cheesier piece. See if I can get some more of that white sauce. Oops. I want to get that all over the place, but maybe you can see it a little better now. Looks like they scooped it in first and then they poured the marinara over it. It comes out that nice mixed white and red. It certainly is oily though. Okay. Use some napkins. Clean some of my crumbs. Alright, so to go along with my meal, I decided to get some of the drinks they had over there. They had a couple of 2-liter bottles of real sugar Pepsi, Mountain Dew, I believe Sprite as well. But I decided to go with Jackson Hole soda. I got myself a sarsaparilla and I got my wife an orange cream version. Hopefully you can see those well on the camera. I believe this is a bottle here in Utah. Yeah, I'm gonna Snake River sarsaparilla from Jackson Hole soda. Gonna give it a shot. Oh, that's nice. It definitely has a taste that hangs on. I think these are one of the better sarsaparillas I've had. Well, if you've never had sarsaparilla, it's old-fashioned soda, somewhat similar to root beer. But I think it has a better taste. It's got like a licorice taste. Some people may not like it, but honestly, as a drink form, it's delicious. But yeah, no. So today I spent about $18 on the Roots pizza, $13 on the bread, and the surprise expenditure was actually the two drinks. They came out $11.50 on their own. But they're tasty, but I don't think they're worth that much each. Like $5.25 each. It's kind of high, or $5.75 each. But it's tasty. It is good. I think my favorite thing out of this meal is probably it's a fight between the pizza and the bread. The bread is very good, and so is the pizza. But I think I like the pizza just a little bit more because of the yam. I really love yams. But yeah, again, that's Brick's Corner Pizza. That's here at Salt Lake City at it's 1465 South and 700 East. Did I get that right? Yeah, 1465 South and 700 East. Well, thank you so much for joining me. You guys have a great day.